back to video 2 of our Spark Connect series. Once you understand who your user is with your persona and empathy map in video 1, the next step is to map the user's journey. The user journey map is a visual representation of your user's experience as they interact with a service or product. It highlights their emotions, pain points, and key touch points in their journey. This is where you see the system through their eyes. So let's break down the table columns based on your specific healthcare journey. First, define the stages of the journey and the timeline. For example, a stage for a patient might be making an appointment or waiting for surgery. Be sure to be specific on these things. Next, list the actions the user takes in that stage and describe the user experience. So how are they feeling? What are they thinking? For example, for a stage making an appointment, the actions may be looking up the clinic's phone number online and making a call. Now we're going to look at identifying high points and crucially the pain points in the user's journey. These are the moments of frustration, delay or disappointment. For instance, a pain point could be a patient struggling with long wait times for an appointment. Support your map with real evidence or statistics. This grounds your map in reality and validates your focus area. This could be published research like metrics, data, or case studies in a very similar area that could add to your journey map. Finally, this is the key to innovation. In the last column, you'll start framing your how might we statements. For every significant pain point, ask, how might we solve this? For example, a patient who suffers bad migraines has to wait long periods of time for an appointment. A corresponding how might we statement could be, how might we reduce wait times for patients with migraines in order to streamline the clinical service and improve patient experience? So the user journey map has turned a problem into a clear set of opportunities. The next step is to explore those opportunities. So join us for our next video, which looks at identifying opportunities where we'll turn those how might we statements into concrete ideas. Thank you.